Right, it is Monday, 17th of February, and today, I don't know if I'll vlog most days, but I might not put them together all on the same day because it's just hard work at camp. Today we're looking at going down the east coast to Blenheim, Kaikōura, and then maybe driving in and staying in the Molesworth Station. There's an old cottage there halfway up, so we'll look at that. Plans can also change because we're actually not really got a set way we're going. We were going to go west coast, but the weather might change, so we thought we'll go east coast down to the bottom to Bluff, seeing things along the way, and then coming back up the other side, but who knows. Anyway, just on sunrise sort of time, low cloud in the distance. That always happens to me. But yeah, it's about 6:40 or something like that in the morning. But yeah, we'll get on the road once we're all up. He's probably still sleeping or near up, and then we'll carry on. But yeah, might take a few days between videos, but that's okay. We'll get there. Good sleep. Leaving the campsite now. This road here is very dusty. I have to hang back a bit. I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but the trees, the dust is up so high, so it's been quite, dry in this area. You hit that sun in your eyes and you can't actually see the corner. New town for us. We just arrived in Blenheim. We go to the main street. Alright, we've just been to Super Cheap, got some meat seal for his exhaust. He's going to whack it on while I eat my sandwich. Roadside repairs. Hopefully quieten it down a bit. Just left Blenheim, heading to Kaikoura now.
Main road.
Look how bloody dry it is. Insane.
Shit.
Look at those amazing mountains out there. This is getting close to the Kaikoura area.
We're going to go probably right into the middle of all that for the Molesworth.
Sure is. Just stopped off at one of these little side bits. Almost in Kaikōura. The weather's still pretty good. I think we did have a bit of rain that way, so it might be following us. That's okay. Pretty windy on the coast today though. We're just up the top lookout at Kaikōura. All those amazing mountains. Pretty windy on this coastline, and then we're going to try and head up like this sort of area, the Molesworth region, for the night if we can make it up. Here's our vehicles. Awesome. Popular down this end of Kaikōura.
Right, that place is pumping.
Yeah, it's a popular little area, this one. Got the whale watching
Yeah,
road
this
out
is
the
cool, the
side.
tunnel.
Yeah, I just put my GoPro on for it.
Far out, what a road.
Again, through the hillside. Cool to see a train come over the side. Oh, look at this big ass truck coming through. Awesome. Wow. Such amazing countryside.
Far out, that's hard.
We're just making our way into Hanmer Springs area. Wow, amazing. It's the jet boat thing that we just gone over the top of. Scenery around this area is pretty amazing.
Such epic landscape.
This Hanmer place is pretty fancy looking. A lot of hotels and flash houses on the hills. Feel out of place here. Aspen Lodge. Now we're on our way to Molesworth, one of the campsites for the night. Quite far in, up the back country. Very rutted up road. Just hanging back today because the amount of dust that I had yesterday going to the other camp was terrible. I just drove around every corner going, wow. Wow. Beautiful views. This is the road that we're on, Molesworth Station Road. But we made it to our campsite for the night. We're in Molesworth Station Road. Just started to rain, so we parked underneath these trees here. Big campsite, at least there's a shadow too, so neat. Here we are. Just putting on some burgers, having a beer. First beer of the South Island trip. Been 2 days, haven't had one. Not good. much better. Surprisingly, we're way up in the Molesworth and we've still got reception at this campsite. They've put reception on, which is really, really cool. In case you got stuck or anything happened, because up the road further, nothing. So yeah, that's us. What are we? Monday the 17th today, so we're just gonna chill out and then make our way maybe towards Greymouth tomorrow, and then back, and then somewhere in between we'll find another campsite. Yep, enjoy. So we decided to change our campsite for that view. Fingers crossed in the morning. Just up on a ledge. Less flies. We were down there.